What are you buying? What are you buying on Long Island for $29,000? Rehab, 26.5. In Pittsburgh, 26.5 gives you a lot of rehab. We're talking about new. More importantly, I'm not even going to break down the rehab for you because we're going to work through a rehab. You're going to see what we do in a rehab. Closing costs, $1,500. That's if you're buying cash, not using a mortgage. You cannot finance this property unless you use hard money or unless you use some different type of financing we heard about here tonight. Our fee, $10,000. It's called a consultation fee. I put my fee right up front. I tell you what my fee is. I'm interested in building long-term relationships. I have nothing to hide. If you're happy with me making money, I'm happy with you making money. Your total investment is $67,000. Okay. Your total rent, gross, is $1,275. Your monthly expenses, including your management fee, and what do we use on this? A 6% vacancy rate is $482. I don't expect you to remember any of that. That gives you a net monthly income of $793. When you figure that all out, that is 14.2% return on your investment. That's a pretty good return on your investment on a solid asset. Now, why Pittsburgh? Okay, our unemployment rate is 2% below the national average. Our unemployment rate is about 7.2%. Our crime rate is 1.5% below the national average. We're always in the top 3 for cost of living. When you pull up my website and you look at the list of articles that have come out in the past year, you'll see Pittsburgh is one of the 3 cities that's totally out of the recession. Pittsburgh, number 2 for jobs most booming in the United States of America. Why is that? Because our economy is diversified. We have 4 major industries in Pittsburgh. We have the medical industry. We have the education industry. We have the banking industry. PNC is the 5th largest bank in the United States of America. And we also, our booming industry is the technology industry. In the past 10 years, we've had 1,500 technology companies either open or relocate to Pittsburgh. The 2 biggest are Google and Seagate Technology. Okay, so that's what's going on in Pittsburgh. I'm not going to keep promoting myself. I'll be over there if you want to talk more. Now, if you want to stay in the room, I want you to pull out and put your gloves on. Okay? I'm serious. Everyone pull out and get your gloves on. Because we're about to get our hands dirty. I want to walk you through a rehab from start to finish in 6 stages. Okay? Come on. I want to see. Okay. I want to see everybody. Everybody get your gloves on. I don't want any of you women breaking nails. Or any of you guys going home and your wives or girlfriends saying, "Why are you so dirty?" Right, exactly. Okay, so here's our team. We're a family-owned and operated business. Okay? You have up in the top left corner, you have my father and his wife. My father's my business partner, and his wife Amy is our in-house realtor. Then you have me and my wife. You have the 2 stars of our team. My kids, you see them driving the dump truck, the new quad they got for Christmas. My grandmother Betty's our office worker. Valerie is my aunt. She's my office assistant. And you have our contracting associate, Nick Nico's, right over there. So this business is who we are, not what we do. Very important to us. This is a breakdown of what I just said. Okay, we're going to walk through the 6 stages of a rehab from start to finish. Okay. Now, this is not a gut. This is not a gut down to the studs. This is a rehab where you can still use the existing walls by patching and painting them and maybe doing some framing and new drywall hanging. There's another stage in it if you have to take it all the way down to studs because then you have to drywall the whole house. This is a rehab where the existing walls are able to be used to a certain extent. So, phase 1, purchase. You have to get out of your comfort zone and actually buy the property. Stage 2, the clean out. Stage 3 is the plumbing and electrical. Stage 4 is the patch and repair walls, the framing, the new drywall that's needed, painting, light fixtures, and windows. Stage 5, finish the walls, the flooring, the cabinets, the countertops, the tub surrounds, the baseboard heaters, sinks, and fixtures. And stage 6,